Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce 3 PVC repair items which are widely used in irrigation and garden piping system. They are compression coupling, extension coupling, and union. Now let's first introduce compression coupling. Compression coupling is designed without internal stop, so they can slide freely along the pipe. To repair damaged section, just cut out the broken part and slide the coupling into place, and then tighten the knots with the rubber seal. It's a quick and easy fix. It's ideal for tight space and when the entire pipe can't be replaced. Let's see how it installs and repair the piping system. This is the installation method of compression coupling. Right now, this series product is very popular in the following American countries and has a very large volume usage. If you have any questions about the installation and the usage of the repair items in the piping system, welcome to visit our website for consultation. Thank you very much.